Hello everyone. Today we shall see few time functions. Here I have a set of time values which are present in a column. Let us see how to find start and end of an hour. I'll quickly go to add column, create a custom column. I'll rename the column as start, and in the function we have time dot start of hour. Okay, time dot start of hour, it will fetch us the start hour. I'll insert the time column. I'll click OK. Here you could see that we have got this start of hour. Suppose the time is 1:23 a.m. We'll get that 1 hour. If it is end of hour, we'll get 2 a.m. Let us see how to extract end of hour. I'll type end, and in the function I'll type the time dot end of hour. Okay, end of hour, it will fetch us the end of the hour time. Okay, I'll insert the time column and click OK. Here you could see that the end of the hour, it gave us 2 a.m. when the time is 1:23. This is how we find start and end of the hours. Let us explore few more functions. Here we have time column, and let us see how to extract hour, minute and second. I'll rename column as hour. The function is time dot hour. I'll open the parenthesis, insert the time column and click OK. Time dot hour has given us the hours which are present. You could see that the time is fetched in 24-hour format. Similarly, I'll create a custom column. I'll type minute. The function is time dot minute. I'll open the parenthesis, insert the time column and click OK. Here you could see that time is now fetched in a separate column in minute format, and we shall see how to find the seconds. Okay, I'll rename the column as seconds. The function is time dot second. I'll open the parenthesis, insert the time column and then click OK. Time dot second, it will fetch us the seconds of the time part, and then it will result as the same. Hours, minutes, seconds, these are the three parts of this time column. Okay, let us see how to aggregate this time, minute and second when it is separated in the time column and make it into this time format. I'll click on this add column, create a custom column. Now I'll write new time as the column name. We have a standard function which is hash time. Okay, I'll open the parenthesis. Let us see how to use it. We have to give the parameters in order wise. First we have to insert hour. Second we have to insert minute, put a comma, and then we have to insert second. Okay, hash time is a standard function which will concatenate these hour, minute and second and fetches the time format. Okay, you could change the data type to time format, it will work fine. This is how we extract our minute, second, and we shall make it together again and make a time column. Suppose that we have this time column and we have to make it into a record. I'll click on this custom column. We have two record function. I'll rename it as two record. I'll type two record. I'll write time dot to record, open the parenthesis, insert the time column and then click OK. Here you could see that in my first record I have this hour, minute and second separated. Similarly, these are the records for each time component. Okay, suppose that I want to expand the rows, I'll click here. Okay, uncheck this original column name as prefix and then click OK. Once I click OK, here you could see that hour, minute, second columns are spread into different columns. This is how I make into records and then I could split into different columns. This is how two record function works with respect to time. Let us explore few more functions. Okay, This is my time column, and suppose that I want to convert into textual column. What I could do is I'll type to text. I'll show you two ways. There are multiple ways to customize the formats. I'll type to text time.toText function. Here I'll insert the time column and close the parenthesis and click OK. Here once you like by default type this time.toText and insert the time column, you could see that hours and minutes are provided, ignoring these seconds. This is how time.toText function helps us convert to textual values. I'll show you another format where we could fetch only these hours and minutes. I'll type toText1 as rename the column. I'll type here same function, which is time.toText. Okay, I'll open the parenthesis. Initially I'll give the time column. Okay, this is my time column. In the options I'll provide the format equal to, suppose that I want only hours and minutes, I'll type HH:MM. I'll put a comma after that. I'll type culture equal to, in the quotations I'll type D-D. This is the German culture where I could format it. I'll close the square bracket and I'll close the parenthesis. The second parameter which I have written is the optional format in order to format the time. I want only hours and minutes without any other parameters. I'll click OK. Once I click OK, here you could see the time has changed to 24-hour format from 123 to 8:34 in the night. This is how we convert time column to textual columns, and suppose that we could even convert that text to time column by using from text function, and let us see how to do it. I'll type from text. In the function I have time dot from text. I'll open the parenthesis, bring in the column to text. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis and click OK. Here you could see that this to text column has changed to the time format, and you could notice that there are no seconds available according to the first column, because in the second column I don't have those second values in this second column. So please remember that if you don't have seconds, it may not be able to represent the seconds. Similarly, I'll show you from text function again based on these values of to text one column. Okay, I'll type from text one. Okay, I'll type from text time dot from text, open the parenthesis. I'll insert the to text one column. I'll close the parenthesis. Similar to the to text function, here also you could see that I could type the options as format, but here I'll keep it the default format and click OK. Again, you could see that from the to text one column, you could see that differences. Since I don't have seconds here, even we don't get seconds here, and it is changed to AM PM format of time. This is how we convert time to text, and also time to from text. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.